They're trying to get in their bucket. They've got some that kind of has been thawing out a little bit. That they're a cute little duck. My handsome Ernie do. Look at that big boy. Anyway, yeah, see him just trying to. I didn't even dump it out for them to eat it yet. They're trying to get in there. Oh, sweeties. Yes, the sweet little chickens. Come here. You're getting the bucket all dirty. Come on. I know you probably don't care, but here, watch them. Yeah, they hear that and come. They get so excited. That's their breakfast. That's their breakfast. Come here, get breakfast. She says, excuse me, talking about the duck. Excuse me, let me in here. They've all adopted her. She just arrived later, but she had a little bit of wild instinct, I guess, because she doesn't take crap from nobody. She says, move over, I'm having breakfast.